Welcome everybody. In this video I am going to show you the cutoff of some engineering colleges under WPJEE. The result is already published of West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination, and the counseling and registration started from today. Okay, so this video is very important for you. Just open Google from any browser and search WPJEE B. Okay, that means West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination Board, not this site, wbjeb.nic.in. Open this site. Okay, go to WBJE 2020 e-counseling, click here, and from here you can register. Okay, click for online registration and choice filling. You have to click here for online registration. Proformas for certificates. Okay, some domicile certificate, income certificate, etc. Proformas are also available here. Important dates. So I am going to show you the cutoffs, means opening and closing rank. Click here, previous year opening and closing rank. Now select the year. I am going to show you the recent year, that is 2019. Round 3, that is the last round. 1 2 3, 3 rounds are there. Okay, the cutoff of last round will be lesser than other 2 rounds. WBJE seats, then institute name. Okay, lots of institutes are here. At first, here is the government engineering colleges. Cospiyar Government Engineering College, located in Cospiyar, North Bengal. Okay, Goni Khan Chaudhary Institute of Engineering, this is located in Malda district. And Government College of Engineering and Leather Technology, this college is located in Salt Lake, Kolkata. Then Government College of Engineering and Textile Technology, Berhampur, in Murshidabad. Okay, Murshidabad, this college. And the next college is Government College of Engineering and Textile Technology, Srirampur, which is under, this is also near about Kolkata, under the district of Hooghly. And Government College of Engineering and Ceramic Technology, located in Beleghata, Kolkata. Institute of Pharmacy, Jalpaiguri, this is Government Pharmacy College in Jalpaiguri. And Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College, the old and reputed Government Engineering College. Then Kollani Government Engineering College, located in Kollani, under Nodia district. Then Ramkrishna Mahato Government Engineering College, Purulia. Okay, so these are the government engineering colleges, and after that the private engineering colleges start. Okay, Abacus Institute of Engineering and Management, then AOT, and at last scroll down. Here are the government universities. Okay, West Bengal University of Animal and Fishery Husbandry, there is only one subject, that is dairy technology. Okay, let's see the cutoff. Okay, let's see the cutoff of dairy technology. Okay, the cutoff is 12,356, so around 12,000 for general, for SC 22,000, for SC 63, OBC 22, OBCB 19,000. Okay, now Uttar Banga Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, there is agricultural engineering. Let's see the cutoff of agricultural engineering. I already discussed about the agricultural engineering and some technological subjects of government institute. The link of that video is there in the description box of this video. Okay, watch this video also, this will be also helpful for you. So agricultural engineering cutoff is 8,914. Okay, this is also a good subject for placement. This is North Bengal University. Okay, there is another university for agricultural engineering, that is Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya. University of Kollani, here is only 2 subjects, information technology and applied electronics and instrumentation. Look at the cutoff, around 6,000 the cutoff of AEI, and information technology around 3000, less cutoff. Okay, Calcutta, University of Calcutta, this is the second best institute according to cutoff under WBJEE after Jadavpur University. The cutoff is very less. I'm going to show you. Okay, this is also famous college, Rajavaja Science College. It was previously known as Rajavaja Science College. This is the engineering campus of Calcutta University. Chemical engineering is here, 2400. Chemical technology is also here. The cutoff is little bit higher. Then computer science and engineering, 1137, very less cutoff. Okay. Then electrical engineering, 1800. ECE, IT, instrumentation, optics and optoelectronics, and polymer science and technology is there. Okay, so this is also a good government university. Then UIT Bardhaman, University Institute of Technology Bardhaman, this is government aided university. Semester fees are little bit higher there. Okay, around 30,000 semester fees. AEI cutoff is little bit higher, 21,000. Civil 18,000. Then CSE 6,883. CSE cutoff is less. Obviously, the placement scenario of computer science and IT is good in every colleges, so the cutoff of CSE and IT will be higher than other subjects. IT cutoff 11,000. Okay. Then Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology. This is the main campus of MAKAUT. Okay, you know that lots of colleges, government and private engineering colleges are under Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology. So in the main campus there is computer science and engineering and information technology. Two subjects are there. Okay, cutoff is also less, 2000 and around 3000 for IT. Then Kazi Nazrul University, Asansol. Here is also two subjects, metallurgy and mining. Okay, the cutoff is little bit higher, 22,000, and mining 20,000. Some students are asking, my rank is around 20,000, so which government institute may I get? So the answer is here, Kazi Nazrul University. Around 20,000 students who are interested about government institute. Next, Jadavpur University, the best institute under WBJEE. Okay, so look at the cutoff. I'm only showing you the general cutoffs. Okay, you can see the OBC and SC cutoff from this site. I'm giving the link of this direct link in the description box. You just have to click on the link and this page will open. Okay, construction engineering 655, computer science and engineering 107. Okay, so best students go there. ECE second highest cutoff 161, IT 183. Okay, so the cutoff of Jadavpur University is around maximum cutoff around 6 to 700. Okay, general cutoff. Architecture and pharmacy cutoff is little bit higher, 1000 to 1500. SC cutoff will be a little bit higher. Civil, that is 9000 SC cutoff. Okay, so let's move. Department of Jute and Fiber Technology, Calcutta University. Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, agricultural engineering is there. This is also a good option for you. 5000 general cutoff is there. Okay, after that Alia University, this is also government aided university. Placement is also good there, especially for CSE. CSE cutoff is also less, 4500. Mechanical, electronics and communication, and electrical engineering and civil is there. Okay, so then the private engineering colleges, I am going to show you the cutoff of some private engineering colleges. Techno Main Salt Lake, this is the top college under Techno India group. Okay, In a video I already discussed about the best private engineering colleges in West Bengal. Okay, the link of that video is available in the description box of this video, so watch this video also. Applied electronics and instrumentation cutoff is little bit higher, 17,000. Civil 27,000. CSE very less cutoff, 5,000. Electrical 12,000. Information technology 6,900. So IT cutoff is little bit higher than CSE cutoff. Obviously CSE is better subject than information technology, but if your cutoff is little bit, your rank is little bit higher, so in that case you may choose information technology. Placement wise more or less same, CSE and IT, not so much difference is there between these two subjects placement. Okay, mechanical engineering 19,000. Then move upward. St. Thomas Engineering College, this is also a good private engineering college. Let's see the cutoff of this college also. Computer science and engineering cutoff is around 9,000. Electrical 25,000 and IT cutoff 14,000. Okay, so for every rank range there is a college under WBJEE. You have to check. If your rank is 20 to 30,000, then also you can get a good college for placement. I'm going to show you that thing also. Now move upward. RCC Institute, this is also located in Kolkata. AEI cutoff is little bit higher, 54,000. Computer science 12,000. Electrical engineering 30,000 cutoff. Okay, so it is not possible to show the all cutoffs in this video. Let's see the cutoff of Academy of Technology. This is also a good private college. Electrical engineering cutoff is 37,000 there, and CSE cutoff 14,000. Okay, this college provide almost 100% placement for CSE students. So if your rank is more than 10,000, so this could be a good option for you. Mechanical 80,000, very high cutoff. Information technology 21,000 cutoff is there. Okay, so from this side you can check the cutoff of other private engineering colleges. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding the WBJEE counseling procedure, you may ask me in the comment box section. Okay, thank you.